Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a beautiful recipe you can make with eggs. You can eat this as breakfast or you snack on it. Whichever way you like it is fine. I have some bell peppers here, onion and spring onions. So I will go ahead and chop the spring onions. I'll cut the bell peppers. I'll cut them into small sizes. This is the size you need for this recipe. Then I'll chop the onions and set them aside. I have a bowl here. I'll crack in 5 medium-sized eggs into the bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and use my whisk to mix. You keep mixing. I'll keep mixing until it becomes foamy like this. When your egg is foamy, then it is time to add other ingredients. We'll add the chopped onions, the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper. I'll add the chopped spring onions, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, some seasoning and onion flakes. Then give it a stir, you mix. I'm using my spatula to mix, to incorporate very well. Here I have 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix the flour with the baking powder, then transfer into the bowl and mix. Gently you mix. I'll be adding it little by little as I mix. Don't pour everything together so that your mixing will be easy. So I stir and mix. So at this point, you just get the spatula and use it to fold in. Use the folding method, fold it in and mix well. Mix it very well. Gently do. We are done now. I'll get a mold. I have a silicone mold here. I'll go ahead and grease it with a brush. I'll rub in some butter on it. Rubbing some butter or greasing will make it easier for whatever you're baking in it to come out easily, to make it easier for it to come out. So I'll go ahead and transfer the mixture, my egg mixture, into the mold. After doing this, we'll put it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'll clean up here, I will tidy and transfer into the oven. Now we have it in the oven and we're allowed to bake for 20 minutes. It's 20 minutes now. I'll just bring it out. It's ready. So let's check. can see how easily it comes out. It's not difficult to remove at all. You can see how beautiful and colorful it looks, and it's delicious too. This is a nice egg recipe you can make for your family, and everyone will enjoy it. Try this recipe and let me know the outcome in the comment section. You can eat this as your breakfast or snacks. You can even make it for your children. It's very delicious and fluffy in the inside. Try it out. Let me show you how the inside looks. Can you see it? Can you see this one? I hope you like my recipes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.